Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to build faster in Fortnite. Well, start with walls, ramps, and floors. Get comfortable with their placements and rotations. Set key binds that are comfortable and allow quick access to building pieces. Enable turbo building in settings to place multiple structures rapidly by holding down the build button. Master quick edits to adjust structures without having to demolish and rebuild. This can be a quick way to gain high ground or defend against incoming fire. Pre-editing can save time in certain situations, but be cautious as it can also lead to mistakes. Spend time in creative mode to practice building techniques without pressure. Always aim to get the higher ground in engagements as it provides better visibility and defensive positioning. Learn to quickly floor, ramp, wall combos these together for effective offensive and defensive structures. Use building to create cover while healing or reviving teammates. Incorporate existing structures or natural terrain into your builds to save materials and time. Build while moving to avoid being an easy target for opponents. Builder Pro can help streamline building on console platforms. Practice resetting edits quickly to maintain defensive structures. Regularly practice building techniques to maintain muscle memory. Study how professional players build and edit for efficient strategies. Stay calm and focused to avoid unnecessary builds in tense situations. Adjust your sensitivity setting for building to find what works best for you. Review your gameplay to identify where building improvements can be made. Practice 90-degree turns to gain height quickly in build battles. And that's how to build faster in Fortnite. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.